We didn't know a thing about fruit trees. We made one lucky mistake 10 years ago that now gives our family more than 150, sometimes over 200, Fuyu persimmons every fall. Enough for daily fresh eating, gifts for friends, and snacks that last all winter or longer. In 2015, we brought home the only persimmon sapling at a nearby nursery, 3 feet tall, a little scrappy, and planted it without even asking the variety. Beginner's luck. It was a Fuyu, a non-astringent persimmon that's sweet and edible, from crisp to custardy. It began bearing in its second year and hasn't missed a season since. We're in Los Angeles County, with mild winters. Fuyu is an easy fit here because it has a very low chill requirement. In spring, quiet cream-colored flowers appear in the leaf axils, and here's the counterintuitive secret that makes this tree so reliable. It's Parthenocarpic. It sets seedless fruit on its own, so you don't need a partner tree or perfect pollinator timing. Then it does its own thinning. One wave of fruit drop comes soon after bloom, and another, less dramatic, arrives around August. They look alarming at first, but it's the tree balancing its load so the remaining fruit can size up and sweeten. We worried in the early years. Now we know it's nature taking care of itself. Caring for the tree stays simple. Full sun and well-drained, slightly acidic to neutral soil. Deep, infrequent watering during dry spells. We keep a 3 to 4 inch mulch blanket a few inches off the trunk. We add a yearly top dress of compost. Mature trees are light eaters. Too much nitrogen grows leaves instead of fruit. After harvest, we prune lightly for airflow and strength while preserving fruitful tips. Persimmons set on new shoots from last year's wood, so gentle winds. We keep the canopy around 10 feet wide, so ladders stay short and windstorms stay uneventful. Even when one overgrown branch fell last year, the tree hardly noticed. We just saw a slightly lighter crop. We start harvesting when the skin turns from greenish orange to solid orange and the fruit feels heavy. You can pick at light orange if you can't wait, but flavor and sweetness will be lower. You'll even see greenish orange fruit in grocery stores. Leave them longer, and the skin develops a slight translucence. We clip with pruners or gently twist, keeping the calyx and a short stem intact for longer shelf life. Unbroken, firm persimmons can sit on the counter for a month or more, though they continue to ripen until very soft. We enjoy Fuyu 3 simple ways. First, the crisp stage, harvest, when the fruit is fully colored, but still firm. Peel if you prefer, slice it, and add a pinch of flaky salt or a squeeze of lemon to make the sweetness sing. It's our most popular potluck fruit dessert. Second, the custard stage. Let a few soften on the counter until they feel like water balloons and the skin shows slight translucence. Then eat with a spoon or pour the soft flesh into a small bowl. It's fruit ice cream without the freezer, heavenly and our favorite. Third, the dried stage. Fuyu shines here because the non-astringent flesh dries beautifully even when firm. In fact, firm fruit is easier and better for dehydrating. We peel if desired, slice each fruit into similar wedges, and dry low and slow at about 113 degrees Fahrenheit, 45 degrees Celsius, for approximately 24 hours until the pieces are pliable and leathery, still bright. Last year, we tried a higher temperature and shorter time, and they came out quite hard. Still tasty, just less ideal. Drying concentrates the natural sugars, turning them into honeyed, portable snacks that keep for months. Perfect for trail mixes, lunch boxes, as a salad topper, or as a natural sweetener for drinks and desserts. We've made jam and sauces too. But for long keeping with the least effort and a healthy result, dehydrating is our best preservation hack. Wildlife shares the harvest. Birds and squirrels are expert ripeness detectors. Reflective tape or netting helps, and we accept that some fruit is community fruit. And here's a nice thing about persimmons. They're naturally resilient to pests. Proper pruning, removing fallen debris, and encouraging airflow are always the best first defense. The one issue we see with our persimmon tree is white soft scale near the stem as fruit colors up. The honeydew can invite sooty mold, affecting the appearance but not the fruit's quality. We simply clean them off right after harvest. No treatment needed. 10 years in, this unfussy Fuyu remains our most dependable producer. One scrappy sapling became a season of lantern-bright fruit, a winter of dried snacks, and armfuls of orange gifts. Abundance, it turns out, doesn't require complexity, just simple care and a little patience. If you have full sun and a little patience, this low-maintenance Fuyu tree will redefine your garden expectations. To learn the fruit's ancient history, symbolism, and medicinal values, tap subscribe to be notified when our next video is out. Until next time, happy gardening!